When I joined UST, I was attending the servant leadership training, and when I understood the impact of servant leadership, it fascinated me, and I thought that this is the training which practically we can execute as a leader, and that's the reason I joined servant leadership.
That
So this journey is quite exciting. First, I attended the trainings, and then I gave the sessions, and later on, it's a big reflection about my own personality, and I realized that what is meant by servant and also a leader. So that is so far a great journey. This has made a great impact, particularly on my personality, because I'm working as a delivery manager responsible for larger teams, and this training and the journey of servant leadership has made me a better person, better leader, and it has helped me to build the relationship with my team.
but
So I'm quite attached to servant leadership. If you say to me, I have now acquired a champion servant leadership certificate, and considering the values of UST and the priorities of UST as a servant leadership movement, I would like to contribute and create as many champions as possible and take this trainings to every person or employee of UST.